Pencil.
Nicholas, he's going to throw you the ball.
Yay!
Throw it again. How about if you let Nicholas throw you the ball and you hit it with the bat?
No.
Okay. Okay.
He likes his friend Dana.
Ready? Here, you help. Here, I'll
Dana,
help.
or Elaine took off. Did you hear her saga?
Yeah.
He wants to play too.
Dana's gonna help him.
Gavin, stop whining.
No. Be nice.
Hey, Gavin. I'm gonna play with Nicholas.
Nicholas wants to play too.
Here, Nicholas. Look at that. He hit it.
Oh, thank you. He says thank you when he hands it to me.
Aw. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Gavin, look. Look who's going to play
Nicholas.
it now.
Jeez, I wasn't expecting it.
Uh-oh. Hey, Nicholas.
Put it on. He wants you to wear it.
Don't run too fast.
Can you put it on?
I don't like it when he runs on his concrete. I'm going to get you.
That ball's pretty heavy, and so's the
Yeah,
bat.
let's see if he wants to wear it.
They didn't have like, yeah,
Look
they
at
didn't
He
have
just got
sour.
it. He wanted this, and I got it
doesn't
for
wanna
him.
wear it.
All right. Indulge me.
Go.
Come on, hon. Let's play.
Come on, let's play in the
Give
grass.
Daddy his kisses. You didn't give him his hug. What are you doing, Daddy? Uh-oh.
You got it for me, Nicholas?
Give the ball.
Gavin.
I got it.
No, Nicholas is going to get it.
I want to get it.
Give Daddy a big kiss.
Get the ball.
Get the ball, Nicholas.
I want to get the ball.
Nicholas, get the ball.
Can you say cheese? Oh.
He's tired.
Are you tired?
You can get down.
You haven't even given me a hug yet.
Oh, my goodness. Poor
You haven't
Daddy.
even given me a hug yet.
Gavin, give him a raspberry. No.
Stop whining. You want to go lay down?
Nicholas.
Stop whining, man.
I don't want
Nicholas.